This is a review of the solar remote control for Frame TV that I recently got from Amazon. The reason why I got this is because my old remote actually died and I got this to replace it, and actually works really well. So I'm just gonna test it out really quick and show you how fast it works. So I'm just gonna turn this on, have the art mode. I haven't had any issues at all. It seems to kind of move really fast, as you can see here. Yeah, and then go to art mode. Yeah, I highly recommend this remote control. I haven't had any issues at all. If you are looking for something that's reliable, then definitely this would work for you.